build a SharePoint team site, follow these steps. Open SharePoint. Go to your SharePoint homepage through your Microsoft 365 account. Create a new site. Click on plus Create Site from the SharePoint homepage. Choose Team Site from the options provided. Configure site details. Enter a name for your team site. This name will also create a corresponding site URL. Add a description if desired to give context about the site's purpose. Set the privacy settings to either private or public. Add members. Specify the team members and owners who will have access to the site. Enter their names or email addresses to grant them appropriate permissions. Customize the site. Once the site is created, you can customize it by adding web parts, lists, and libraries. Use the Edit button on the homepage to add or rearrange content. You can add web parts like document libraries, calendars, and task lists to facilitate team collaboration. Configure site settings. Click on the settings gear icon and select site settings to adjust additional settings such as permissions, site features, and regional settings. Save and share. Publish your changes and share the site with your team to start collaborating.